Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start cloud computing with Amazon Web Services easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with cloud computing on Amazon Web Services, first, visit the official AWS website. Once there, click on the Create a Free Account button. You will need to provide an email address, a password, and an AWS account name. Next, input your payment information. Amazon offers a free tier, but they still require a credit card for verification. After entering your payment details, follow the prompts to complete the registration. Once your account is created, log in to the AWS Management Console. You will be greeted by a dashboard displaying various services. To explore, familiarize yourself with the service categories listed on the left. Start by searching for EC2 in the search bar. EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud and is a core service for cloud computing. Click on EC2 to open the service management page. From here, select Launch Instance to create a virtual server. You will see a list of Amazon Machine Images, or AMIs. Choose an AMI that suits your needs, such as a standard Ubuntu server. Next, select the instance type that offers the required CPU and memory resources. Scroll down to the Configure Instance section. Here, you can specify options like the number of instances and network settings. When you're ready, click Next until you reach the Review and Launch button. Review your selections carefully. Once you are satisfied, click Launch. You will be prompted to create or select a key pair for security. If you are new, choose Create a new key pair, download it, and save it securely. After confirming, your instance will start launching. Once the instance is running, go back to the EC2 dashboard and find your instance. Note the public IP address assigned to your instance. Open an SSH client if you're using Linux or Mac. For Windows, you may use PuTTY or another SSH client. Use the key pair to connect to your instance by entering the public IP address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.